Bruh.
Justin on the motorcycle.
It's not me.
Oh yeah. What? I think it was you.
Justin on the motorcycle.
Oh, I already hit a clock.
It's okay, you didn't actually run over. Don't run over!
Press B. Wait, no, not B. L1 or whatever.
I just let you shoot while you're driving.
Now he knows more controls. The more you know.
You just want to talk to Drop it! You got it!
At least you were wearing a helmet.
I'm still alive.
You have a funny helmet.
You could still get on your motorcycle again unless you don't want it anymore. It wasn't dead.
It's kind of hard to outrun the cops on this one.
I can tell.
Because usually they like spawn like right beside you up there.
I'm still in their range, right? Yeah.
It starts blinking, I think, or something like that.
Yeah, you're out. Look out that cop car if it sees you. Yeah, so.
Alright. Fuck this.
That's an explosive shotgun, that one.
It's beautiful.
That guy.
You can hold that one down and it will continuously shoot.
Mike Tyson.
Why'd you say Mike Tyson?
I don't know. Why I say fat guy and a little soup.
And a little soup.
Yeah.